Hey guys, Amber, Ambizzares DIY and other stuff. We are in part 2 of unboxing this massive jar that I got from Depop. I will have the seller, the name of the seller, I'll put it right here and also put it in the description box in case you guys want to go check her out on Depop. She has a lot of really fun stuff. She's very sweet. She gets right back to you if you have any questions or anything like that. So definitely check her out. Here's what we have left of this jar. It was huge. It was filled to the top. So let's continue on and see if we can get the rest of it done in this video. Okay, so this is like another choker. It's got like a little gold thing on the end of it. Put that right there. I didn't do anything, guys. I'm picking up right where I left off. So here's this choker as well. Ooh. Well, this is interesting. How do you, okay. Look at that. Well, yeah, it will. I'm like, well, it's slide on, but it's kind of big. So it would be kind of hard to wear, but let me just zoom in. Hopefully you guys are going to see. It's really pretty. Okay. Okay. This is a nice layered moment. Look at that. Ooh, she's fun. Okay, I love this one. I want to pull this one out. Oh, she's so pretty. Oh, that's the price tag. I'm like, what's going on here? So pretty. Yay. Love that. That's really pretty. I'll probably keep that one. Some bangles. Paparazzi. I'm not gonna spend too much time on that. You guys get the gist of that one. Ooh, this is pretty, but I can't. I'm grabbing it too soon. It's not ready. It's not her turn yet. Ooh, this is fun. I think I just spit everywhere. Awesome. This is fun. Ooh, that is so fun. Love that. Ooh, she's fun too. Look. Oh, that is so fun. Now this is going to have to go though. Look at that. This has seen better days. However, I could take all of these beads off and put them on something else. And that's what I'll probably do. So I'll put this on my side to deal with. Books and Beyond. Because everybody needs one of these. It's not even actually, look. It's pretty frayed and stuff. But there's that. Okay, moving on. Let's keep her moving. Put that one right there. But she's pretty. Look at that. I love how this is wrapped in the jeans. Oh, that is so pretty. I love that. She's really pretty. Woo. Okay, just a plain bangle. This is what I tried to grab earlier. Okay. I'm just trying to see if it's missing stones. Some of the stones are discolored. I don't think it's missing any. Like, it looks like it is in some parts, but it definitely needs a good cleaning. So we'll put this over here for me to take care of and try to pair of silver hoops. Okay. Ooh. I don't know how I feel about these kind of a clasp, but I like this kind of jewelry. That's fun. Okay. Oh, looks like isn't this like a rosary or something? Guys, I'm not, isn't that what that is? I'm not Catholic or anything like that, so I don't know. This is cool. How do you put it on though? Like, how does it work? Oh, there it is. Like, I don't see a clasp. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. There. That's really pretty. I'm getting better at this. I'm learning how to show it to you guys as I go. This is my first time unboxing a jewelry thing, so bear with me. All right, that's pretty. This is a bracelet that has the adjustable thing with it and all of that stuff. Ooh, what's going on there? That looks really fun. Is this a necklace? This can't be. Look how small this is. What is this? It's not a necklace. Nobody's neck's that small. Not even a child. I don't know. I'm going to put this to maybe add to something else. I mean, can you like layer it? Where'd it go? I don't know where it went. Maybe, no. See, you can't layer either. I don't know. Maybe I'll put a clasp on it to make it so you can layer it. Oh, this is fun. A Christmas one. Like an Alex and Audie style Christmas one. Look at that. That's fun. I love the Alex and Audie style bracelets. Oh, this says sister. And I could totally wear this because I am somebody's sister. That's fun. Oh, I'm not showing you the little sister thing though. Anyway, I don't think... yeah, it's not gonna let me show it to you, but you guys get the idea. It's really pretty. It's good. What's happening here? Why are you guys all entangled? It's just a bangle. Okay. I don't know. It's tangled, but you guys will see what it looks like though. So that's cool. It's a little tangled up though, but I don't want to waste time untangling it. Oh, this is a fun, simple piece. Love that. Paparazzi. Gosh, it feels like there should be more to this, doesn't it? I don't know. I don't know. You know, whatever. Okay, this looks like it would be a pendant. Yes? Is this a pendant? So I'm going to put this on my side to put on a necklace. Love that. This would be cute for a child. I think this would be cute for a child. I don't like this whole ribbon thing though. I'll probably change that, but I think the necklace itself would be cute for a child. Earring. I have that other earring here. Oh my goodness. There's hair in this one. Okay. Here's the earrings. I can show you this pair. Oh, there's a little small ring there too. So here we go. Oh shoot. Well, there is two of them, guys, but yeah. I'm waiting till I get two and then I show you one. Awesome. I just want to make sure I have two also, because you never know with these things. Oh, she's pretty. Look how pretty she is. Look at her. Okay then, that's really pretty. Okay. Ooh, basketball. Oh, this is fun. And it's an adjustable one. So that's awesome. Oh, I love that. I think the kids would like that at the school. What's going on here? I don't know. Oh, it's a toggle clasp. It's an interesting little design here. So I'm not really sure what's going on, guys. We got like two. I don't know if I can show it to you. If I can do it right. All right, there's like two people here, but look at this toggle clasp. It's a little arrow. How fun is that? You guys gonna see that? Maybe, not really. And then it's got a heart on the other side. So put the arrow through the heart. That is unique. Love that. Okay. Okay, not very bad tanglage. Just a little bit tanglage. This is just a green necklace. Got this one sitting in my lap. We have another green one. I'm gonna just layer it because I feel like you guys can see the beads better when I do. Okay. Ooh, this is pretty for like a you know, prom, or if you're like me, going to the grocery store, whatever. Okay, so we have this one. Ooh, this is really pretty. So how does it go though, y'all? Does it go like this? Yes. Okay, so it goes something like this. It's a little tangled, but you guys get the idea. I don't want to waste too much time because I feel like there's a lot left. Ooh, this is a statement. I love that. The lime green, that's so pretty. And this is just a little velvet green choker. There we go. Velvet green choker. You could put something on that. We're getting to the bottom, so things are starting to get a lot smaller. We have a ring here. Okay, hang on. What's happening? No, this is all part of it. Okay, this is a fun little statement number there. Love that. Okay, we are getting to the bottom, guys, at the bottom. So things are really getting super small. This ring is huge, but there's that ring right there. I think it might be better to just jump at this point. Something fell, though. She's empty. Now, I do have a lot of stuff here, though, that I set aside. That I couldn't get untangled, that I would like to share with you guys too. So let's try and do that. Because oh, it's so tangled though, guys. I think I said I was going to do it off camera, so maybe I can pause the video. Oh, I just broke it. I just broke it trying to get it untangled. This is pretty. Not this one. I didn't break this one. This is pretty. I'll show you which one I broke, but I fixed jewelry, so you know, we'll fix it. Oh boy. And it sucks that I broke it. She's a pretty one. Look how pretty this was. Oh, so pretty. But look, I broke it. She's broke right here. Actually, if that's the only part she's broke. Do you guys hear the beads falling? Okay, we'll deal with that later. She's pretty though. What a shame. I broke her. Trying to get her untangled. Okay, this is a tangled mess. Let me just pause and get some organization here and I'll be right back. Okay, I think I have everything pretty much done. I'm not going to probably go through all these little tiny, there's so many little earrings. Probably not going to do all of those because there's like a lot. But I can just give you like a scan of what they are. But this is really fun. I like this necklace a lot. Definitely my kind of necklace. Then we have this one too. It's like got a layered moment. I love turquoise. I think that's so beautiful. That's great. And what's tangling up a lot of these things, I'm going to make a mental note for myself when I do my jars because I don't want people to have to go through such tangled messes, is these bracelets here. These wraparound bracelets. They're tangling everything up. So I might just put them like in a baggie by themselves. Just saying. Because they were really tangled. Look how cute this is though. This is paparazzi. It's got the little smiley face and it comes with the little ball earrings. So that is cute. I guess this is a choker, y'all. So here's a choker. That's fun. Yeah, it's got the clasp to it. So here's some beads. And then we have another paparazzi necklace. This one, does it have a pendant? Oh, it does. Sorry, guys. It's a letter E. Letter E. And it comes with the little balls as well. So there's that one. Then we have... Now, I untangled them. Come on now. I did. I untangled them. Yet they're still tangled. This is just a plain necklace. I can just stick a pendant on it. So that'll be fine. Then we have this one here. This one's also very pretty. Like that a lot. Ooh, look at this one. I'm digging this one. This goes with Versace really well, actually. I should put that on. I have a conference call later today, so maybe I will do that. Okay, I'm unboxing this in the wee hours of the morning so that I can get it done before my work day starts. But I don't feel like you guys can see that one. This is really pretty. The beads on it's really pretty. So that's pretty. Then we have this bracelet here. It's on the verge of breaking, so I don't want to put it on. I'm going to restring it. So this is a very interesting piece. Look at that. That is really pretty. I like that. And then it just has like a little clasp at the top there. Love that. That's really pretty. What's happening here? Is that the way it's supposed to go? Oh, I guess so. Here's just a very plain necklace. I was looking at this. It just comes together really weird. Like, so yeah. Okay. Anyway, let's not spend too much time on that. And then we have this plain beaded bracelet. And this is really cute. It's a 4-leaf clover charm on there. That's cute. I think one of the kids would like that. I can't tell what this is, so forgive me on that. But there's that. And this is really cute also for, I would say, a child. This would be cute for a little girl or something like that. It's got a little heart. All this stuff needs cleaned, and that's fine. I am going to be cleaning it. Oh, I didn't even look at this one. I just untangled some of the stuff. I was like, okay, it's untangled, and I just set it aside. I didn't even actually look at it. This is pretty. Yep. Show it to you the right way. That's really pretty. Okay, and what does this say even? I knew this said something, but I didn't look at what it was. Like I said, once I got it untangled, I was like, okay, you're untangled. Go away. It says Taurus. I'm not a Taurus. Or is it Taurus the car? The Ford Taurus? I don't know, but she getting tangled again. Here's what it is. Hopefully you guys can see that. And it's just a plain gold chain. I don't want to waste too much time on it. This is cute, but she broken. She broke. See, it's supposed to have 2 of those that dangle down, and it only has 1. So we'll put her over there. The rest of it, I am just going to take you off the tripod here, and I'm just going to zoom in on all of this, all the earrings. For the most part, all the earrings do have matches. I did find one that did not have a match, which is okay. So let me just zoom in, show you all this stuff, and yeah, we'll finish up. Okay guys, so I just kind of spread them out here. I know it's kind of hard to see, but like, look at all those little beads from that bracelet. That's so funny. Okay, so anyways, this is what we have for all these little earrings. And this right here, oops, sorry, is the only earring that didn't have a match. So we'll set her aside. She'll have her moment somewhere else. But I'm really excited that I got some of these huge little studs. Let me come back. Sorry, I won't focus. These huge studs, look at those. Oh, so pretty. And there are two of all of those. I think I knocked some off the table. So here's a ring that I didn't show you guys. I'm gonna come back a little bit and maybe you can focus on that. Very cool. And there's also another ring here that I forgot that I didn't show you guys. Hopefully you guys are getting it. And then here's the rest of the earrings. So I'll go through all this later. That earring that I loved so much did have a match to it, and I might change into it later after I clean them. So that's it guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and come back if you like these kinds of videos for more. Thanks. Bye.